A wise man once said, "Be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful." A quote from Coin's dominance has been exploding, but soon the real winners will be altcoins. Decentralized, scalable, and most importantly, fundamentally strong. We're going to be looking at 7 promising cryptocurrencies that you need to watch coming up.
Hello guys, good night. How are you today? I hope you will be fine. So welcome back again with me with my channel Crypto Viral. Information about cryptocurrency, ETO, STO trading, airdrop, and body program. Okay, right now I want to show you this one project. The name is KingCasino. This is project is very good for your invest your money and get profit every day, every month and every year. This is KingCasino. This is project about online casino gaming and betting. KingCasino, we have a mission to become leading in online casino gaming in the world. And right now, KingCasino, we have a new program upgrades for 45% dividend and get your bonus every day for you invest your money. This is the big project for casino online. I hope you join right now and maybe you can take profit every day. I think KingCasino, this is project will success and going to big exchange, and you can invest money right now and buy token on P2P, B2B and La token, and maybe you can join EOA right now. Okay, if you want more information detail about KingCasino, maybe you can visit website kingcasino.io. And if you want more information detail about cryptocurrency, you can subscribe my channel here. And right now I want to example you detail about KingCasino. Don't go anywhere and let's go to website right now. Okay guys, this is display website of KingCasino. You can see here. Okay, right now this is a point of KingCasino. Maybe you can buy token with La token and P2P, P2P, and this is a global celebration KingCasino P2P, P2P and La token. The power of free in properties cooperation, La token and P2P. Maybe right now you can join EO, and this is you want to click this button to join right now. Okay, the next this is about KingCasino token. KingCasino EO is a licensed cryptocurrency online casino registration in Kikukk, offering an amazing collection of 100 hit variety slot game and all well-known casino game such blackjack, poker, and broker. We offer a live casino game you can imagine, as well as sport betting and much more. The next is advertiser of KingCasino. Give you the opportunity to become shareholder and participation in the booming market of cryptocurrency online gaming. Earn up to 45% share by become a partner in our industry lending application program. Get reward for playing your favorite game on our fun, fast, and legally licensed casino. You can use several popular cryptocurrency to securely deposit, withdraw, and withdraw your winning odds. In Casino, we accept with Bitcoin, Ethereum, USD, Kikukk token, and KingCasino token. And the next, this is about KingCasino security token. KingCasino token with IRC27 Basel security token is a cryptographic token that 5 dividend share profit and can be used for regular purchasing service or online casino. By owning the King Casino token, the investor will become stockholder who want to sell our company and receive dividend every quarter based on the number of token held. And this the next this is total supply of King Casino token here available for sale, and here this is a print of sell EOA King Casino. Quantum profit sharing. King Casino we have a quantum profit sharing. King Casino will summary the net profit and distribute into stakeholder in smart contract and of every business quarter. January, April, October, and ex dividend that we dividend or paid investor account. This is a voting power of major issue. Shareholder who have had King Casino token is smart contract for over 3 months of garner special properly. They enjoy discussion, making or voting regard the business plan and any significant purpose change. The next is token burning instruction grammar. King Casino will burn 5% all of token King Casino we got of online casino every quarter to reduce token supply and create a high demand for the token. Fast transaction. Token holder can substitute and security buy, sell, deposit, withdraw King Casino token, Bitcoin, Ethereum, USD, AC will just 1 minute and join all the game. Okay, this is shareholder direct. You can click here. The next way to get involved with King Casino. Here you can see this is we have a prepared sale, PCO, EOA, partner with US. This is the good project. I hope this is King Casino success. Okay, the next this is other user and angel investor with King Casino. The name is Michael Hendricks. This is other user and angel investor. The next is management team. The name is Joy Mandros, a founder at COA, and here Stephen Nguyen for founder, Dai Hek Nguyen for founder, chief technology officer, and Tim Nguyen for founder, software team leader. And the next this is a roadmap for King Casino. You can see here. Okay, I hope you join. This is project is very good. I think this project will success and go to big cryptocurrency exchange. Okay, the next this is a photo of game King Casino. You can see here. We after a game and live action. You can imagine join for unique fun and Scott online gaming experience. Okay, this is a different online casino gaming. I hope you join right now and play here. To if you want to play right now, you can click this button. Okay, why you ask? Why you join this King Casino token? But you can get high profit, amazing game calculation, top gaming, proper transparent, high loyalty and licenses. We have support currency for payment. We support for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Tether. EOA we sell and P2P token exchange with here this total supply of token King Casino. Okay, all is done. I hope you join right now, and this is a project, very big project with me, and I think this project is very good for you. Okay, I hope you join right now, and so don't what do you waiting for, and join this project King Casino, and so you good luck and goodbye.